Whirlpool WT5000DW1 Troubleshooting, Easy Fixes and Tips. For Whirlpool WTW5000DW1 Troubleshooting, check the power source and ensure the lid is properly closed. Also, verify the water supply connections. The Whirlpool WTW5000DW1 is a reliable top-load washer, but like any appliance, it can encounter issues. Common problems include power supply issues, water supply problems, or the machine not starting. Ensuring the washer is plugged in and the circuit breaker is not tripped is crucial. Also, make sure the water hoses are correctly connected and not kinked. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the filter and checking for blockages, can prevent many common issues. This guide provides simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve common problems, helping you keep your washer running efficiently. Whirlpool WT5000DW1 Common Issues. The Whirlpool WT5000DW1 is a reliable washing machine, but like any appliance, it can have issues. This section covers some common problems and their solutions. 1. Not spinning. 2. Not draining. Whirlpool W5000DW1 Basic Maintenance. Keeping your Whirlpool WTW5000DW1 washer in top condition is crucial. Proper basic maintenance ensures optimal performance and extends its lifespan. Regular checks and cleaning prevent issues and help maintain efficiency. 1. Cleaning the washer. 2. Checking Whirlpool WTW5000DW1 error codes. Understanding error codes on your Whirlpool WT5000DW1 washer is crucial. These codes help you diagnose and fix issues quickly. 1. F5E2 code. 2. FF8. Whirlpool WT5000DW1 lid lock problems. Many users face lid lock problems with their Whirlpool WTW5000DW1 washer. The issues can disrupt laundry routines. Understanding and solving these problems is crucial for a seamless washing experience. 1. Resetting the lid lock. 2. Replacing the lid lock. Whirlpool WT5000DW1 washer not starting. The Whirlpool WTW5000DW1 washer is reliable. Sometimes it may not start. This guide helps you troubleshoot common issues. Follow these steps to get your washer running again. 1. Power supply check. 2. Control panel issues. Whirlpool WT5000DW1 unusual noises. Experiencing unusual noises from your Whirlpool WT5000DW1 washing machine? These sounds can be alarming. They might indicate minor issues or more serious problems. This section will help you identify and fix these noises. 1. Identifying the noise. 2. Fixing common causes. Whirlpool WT5000DW1 water temperature issues. Experiencing water temperature issues with your Whirlpool WTW5000DW1 washer can be frustrating. Whether your hot water isn't working or your cold water isn't flowing, understanding the root causes and solutions is key. This section will guide you through troubleshooting steps for both hot and cold water problems. 1. Hot water not working. 2. Cold water not working. Whirlpool WT5000DW1 Preventive Tips. Regular maintenance can keep your Whirlpool WTW5000DW washing machine running smoothly. Taking preventive measures can help avoid common issues and extend the lifespan of your appliance. Below are some essential tips to keep your washing machine in top shape. 1. Regular maintenance. 2. Using the right detergent. Frequently asked questions about Whirlpool WT5000DW1. How to reset Whirlpool 5000DW1 washer. To reset, unplug the washer for 1 minute. Plug it back in and lift the lid 6 times. Why is my Whirlpool W5000D1 not spinning? Check for an unbalanced load. Redistribute clothes evenly. Inspect the drive belt and lid switch. What does F5 error code mean? F5 indicates a lid lock issue. Ensure the lid is closed properly and check the lid lock mechanism. Why is my washer making loud noises? Loud noises can be due to unbalanced loads or faulty drum bearings. Inspect for loose items. How do I clean my Whirlpool WTW5000DW1? Use a washer cleaner or a mixture of vinegar and baking soda. Run a cleaning cycle monthly. Conclusion about Whirlpool WTW5000DW1. Troubleshooting your Whirlpool WT5000DW1 can be simple with the right guidance. Follow these steps to fix common issues. Regular maintenance helps prevent future problems.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit hellotroubleshooting.com.